I ended up putting the little wind guard from that on the back of here. A little spoiler. Kind of goofy, but whatever. 2.5 inch spacer lift. 1 inch block in the back. Took out the factory block. I got Rough Country upper control arms and Fox Adventure Series shocks. I was really just researching everything, and those just popped up on like one of the random sites I came across. So they actually feel pretty good. They definitely fix that weird sketchy feeling when you're doing about 70 on the freeway. And coming into a long sweeper turn, felt like the rear end was like hopping on me. But as soon as I put those on, I pull a 16-foot Blue Wave behind this truck, and it does it no problem. Handles it like a champ. I found that thing on Amazon. I mean, it works. I'm waiting to get bigger tires, so that's why I got the drop hitch. But it's a nice truck.